I'm on my way. I want you back on the shop floor ASAP.
Jasmine. Who you think she is? Huh? She thinks she is like God's gift to the earth? Huh?
Right man, caring, sweet, gentleman like you know.
What exactly am I missing here?
Maybe you two should keep it down a bit. The neighbor's gonna think you're killing each other.